welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing Louis Vuitton, not this one but this one. So this one is actually literally made for this pouch cosmetic toiletry pouch 26, because this is the item I wanted so badly for a while now, because I have another bag like Monogram Louis Vuitton what it was, Speedy 35, and I badly wanted to have this strap for the Speedy, but never were able to find it in the stores, online. It always was sold out, like always. I started to look for it like last year and still wasn't able to find it. So I was lucky, literally lucky, 2 days ago when I went to the Louis Vuitton store and I actually found it. I went to Louis Vuitton, 5th Avenue in Manhattan, and they told me they don't have this strap, but Soho store has it. So I went right to the Soho store and they did have my strap that I was obsessed for such a long time. So this is it. So this is like usual regular box that magnetic flip, and it opens like this, like a flip one, and this is the item. So it's actually super roomy box for such a little one here. So this is little dust bag for the item, and this is it. This is their item that I was looking for more than a year now. So this is classic strap, and this is a monogram canvas, and I believe it's 16 millimeters. So I was like looking for this specific one on the website, because first of all I didn't want to pay for monogram one $560, and not just for payment, but also it's like 3 times wider than this one. I needed something like super not that wide, so something like this, and just to make it work with crossbody. So I was looking exactly for this one online, but it always was sold out, so I had no like way to buy it, and now finally here it is. So this is the cheapest version as well, so this is a good thing about this one, because it's $255, the cheapest of the straps, because Varcheta's leather, they start like 325, 350, something like that, but I don't want Varcheta because it's very hard to care for, and it's gonna be brown really soon. So this one is like forever item for me. So it has this perfect gold hardware here. Over here it says Louis Vuitton on it, and here it says Louis Vuitton as usually, and over here as well Louis Vuitton. Okay, so it also has this shoulder thing that is makes more easier to carry because it's very tiny, so it should be super perfect. So before I wanted it so badly to buy for my Speedy 35, so I already sold the Speedy 35 and got Speedy 25, but this one specific, because Speedy 25 that I got, it's in damier color, so it's not monogram one, and this one I wanted specifically for this one. Now this is like the reason why I still decided to buy it when I found it finally. So it was for this pouch 26 that I converted to the crossbody. Okay, so basically right now it has all this gold chain hardware kind of strap. So, and this is just $7 strap from Amazon, nothing special. Okay, let me take it out. So I have this insert inside it from Amazon as well, and this is kind of, it says it's pinkish, but I'm not sure if it's pink. It's more like pinkish purplish for me. Okay, so, but actually I don't really care what color it is. it's inside and it's nice. Okay, so this is just for, like, sometimes I'm not like much of a chain person, so but I'm gonna use it time to time, but usually I got it specially for this one. So let's try to attach this one. So as it's already transferred to, it's basically just put it insert and it's kind of already transferred to their crossbody. And so this way I'm gonna carry it like this way because it's zip close that way. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. In this case, I'm gonna put this side with all these holes. Kinda, I'm gonna put it on front here. Okay, done. And that side should go under this zip. Okay, this way. Okay, super easy, super simple, and actually it's perfect because it just showing up like this. It's not gonna really much hurt the zip to close, and it's just perfect. I think, yeah, it looks just perfect, just right size. Okay, and this is gonna be it. Okay, so looks so nice. And this gold looks very cute as well because it's very bright, and this gold goes very nice with all this Louis Vuitton canvas. But this original one, like real Louis Vuitton one, looks even better for me. I mean, I'm gonna use both of them anyway, but I like more the canvas one. Okay, so I'm so much glad that I got this one because I was looking at it like for so long. I thought it's never gonna happen because more than a year just waiting for one item is too much. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, unpacking this wonderful and beautiful strap for Louis Vuitton. Please subscribe below to watch more videos than I post, and I usually post videos about luxury designer clothing, accessories, bags. I like to try kids section clothing from luxury designers and trying for myself. For example, next item that I'm going to do such video is going to be Balenciaga sweatshirt that it's coming next week. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.